Hi friends, hello everybody's watching this video right now. My name is Team Wider, and today guys I successfully coming back on the YouTube. I was 3 months in traveling. I was in the Czech Republic, I was in the Poland and surrounding areas, and right now my mind is full of the new ideas about the different kind of the imagination, how to provide information for you and which kind of the video create to make it more interested, to make it more profitable for you, and of course to explain you by the simple words how to make money online. That's what we're doing, guys. That's what we're doing on the airline channel, and I hope that many people here on the airline channel will find that way which they searching for the long time. Guys, we starting the new update for the airline channel, and it will go from the Zoom platform. Look guys, Zoom is that program which you see right now on your screen, and also it's existing on the Play Market and on the App Store. And I want to show you right now also it's in my mobile phone. It's right here. You can see that here is the Zoom. Yeah, you could see it right now. I hope that you could see it. And I will open to show you guys how it's the look from inside. Here's the Russian language. In your country, in your type of the program will be your language, maybe English, maybe if you're from Germany it will be German, or maybe French. Like, it doesn't matter. This program is working for the different people, it's working for the different countries, but the main idea of this program is can connect many people in one place in the short period of time, and where you can get the information in the place where you can get the information in the short time, and with the quality sound, with quality equipment and all of this stuff. Guys, it's really amazing. So what I've decided to make for you guys with this Zoom platform, why today the video about the Zoom, because I see that many people on the YouTube, they making the videos for you guys. They making the videos for the different kind of the people, how to make money online, what kind of the way to choose, which kind of the application start to use to make the money. But all of that, it's already old stuff. It's already old way how to provide information to the people. And on the 90%, guys, all of that stuff is not working. It's not working because 90% of the application is scam. 90% of the ways how to make money online is not working, or maybe also it's scam. So what I decide, guys, because all of this traveling, when you travel in the one country, when you travel to another country, you're talking with the different people, it's start to change in your mind. You start to change your mind. I decided, guys, to provide for you education, free education, how to make money online, free education. Absolutely, you don't need to pay anything. And I don't know, somebody was doing this before or not doing on the YouTube, but we decided with my company, we decided with my leaders to make it absolutely for free. I guess it will be in the test period 2 or maybe 3 months, where you will get the information. Guys, you can go to our presentations on the Zoom and receive all of the education absolutely for free. So right now guys, what you must do, you have maybe the phone, maybe you have the laptop, maybe you have the tablet, doesn't matter. You can go to any searching system like maybe Google or maybe Yahoo, and provide there the zoom.us. It's the same which you see right now on the screen. It's zoom.us, and here just I will type right now to switch off my video. Here you have the sign up button, guys. I already have the account, so when you will be here, you need to click this button, sign up, and create new account. It will not gonna take a lot of the time, guys. It's just a few minutes, and you will provide your mail address, provide the password, and you will be registered, guys. You will be registered. I right now will sign in my account, and I will show you from the inside what we're gonna do in Zoom, guys. So my password, 1 second, my password. Yep, sign in. Guys, I want to tell you that this Zoom is really works for the many countries. This Zoom works for the worldwide, and what you need to have. You need to have just 1 second. I will switch on my video. You need to have, guys, just mobile phone or maybe tablet, because some African countries, some people, they wanna start to make money but they don't have possibility to, for example, buy their laptop. They told me, Tim, I have just mobile phone. I live in Nigeria and I have just mobile phone. How I can make money? Because I need a laptop but I don't have it. Bro, maybe you have just phone. Maybe you have just your mobile phone. It will be totally enough to start to make the online business. I guess this is really opportunity for the for the many people to change some imagination about how to make money online, because some people think, oh yeah, I don't have the laptop, so the making money online is not for me. Yeah, I have just mobile phone, so what I gonna do? I must to make money offline for the laptop. Of course, this is right position, but if you don't have right now the places where you can make this money for this laptop, and you want to start the business, you want to start to change in your life for the better, you want to go to traveling, you want to go to taking rest, you want to go to some vacations, you want to buy something for your kids, bro, time for the revolution right now. We have for you the many incredible ways how to make money online, and we have the many incredible leaders who will provide the education, because there will be not only me, there will be the Lane from the Hollywood, California, it will be Daniel from Ghana, it will be Nathan from Philippines, guys. A lot of the leaders, a lot of the mentors will gonna teach you absolutely for free. So what do you think about this? You will not gonna lose anything, absolutely. You can go and look what kind of the presentation it will be, you can go and look what kind of the education it will be, and you will make a decision to join us or not. I think this is really great and incredible stuff, because you know, for me, I didn't saw who is doing on the YouTube something similar. Maybe some guys, they doing some presentation, but all of that presentations is not for free. Yeah, they want to get some money for this. Obviously it's right, yeah, obviously it's right, because the people, they provide the information, they spend in the time, and they want to make the money from this. But we decide to go in different. We working in the project already more than 1 year, we're making the money from there, and we want to help that people who don't have any money to start, you know. The people don't have any money to start, the people really have the poor imagination about how to make money online, they're really afraid to join some project or no. So we decide to show them first that here's the no risk in that what we're doing. We give all the information and we give all the stuff absolutely for free, so you're not gonna lose anything. So guys, I guess this on the 100% exciting thing which nobody was making before on the YouTube. And so you can decide. It's not me, it's not other guys. You can decide every time, guys. You can decide. You can see right now the Larry have put some comment. Actually, guys, Larry Lane is the great mentor, is the great leader from the Los Angeles, California, guys. This man is really excited. This man is really power leader, and he also will be on our webinars. Okay, look guys, so what I want to say, from tomorrow we're gonna launch our first webinars, and absolutely everybody's invited. It will be tomorrow in the 10 o'clock Ghana time, Ghana, Africa. Today is the 18th of the September, so 19th of the September, guys, 19th of the September, 10 o'clock Ghana time. Check your time right now, compare with the Ghana, so you will understand which time you must be on the webinar to get all of this education. Guys, I want to tell you that Airline Channel provides information for the many people. We are not just located, for example, for the United States, and we are not just located for the Europe. We want to help many people all around the world to start to make money online, because some of the people every time thinking maybe it's not for me. Some of the people every time thinking I don't know how to do that. I will join some company but nobody support me. You know, here we support everyone. We're gonna help everyone. If you have the strong desire, we'll help you with everything. Guys, it was Team Wider. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you didn't subscribe yet. Don't forget to click that bell to receive all the notification. And if you have the question, put it below. If you have the comments, also put it below, guys, because we every time trying to contact with our subscribers. We're trying to explain to people the information, and if you really have strong desire, we will help you, because we're here to make the revolution. Guys, it was Team Wider. Stay blessed.